how to block someone on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can block someone on TikTok. So in order to block someone on TikTok, first of all, make sure that your application is up to date. If not, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in TikTok. So once you type in TikTok, it's gonna direct you to this page. Here, open up and see whether you need to update or not. If the application is up to date, go ahead and tap on the open button. So once you're logged into your TikTok account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. So right on this page, what you need to do is you can just locate the particular user that you wish to block. Now for example, if this particular contact appears to be on your For You page, then what you can do is you can just go to your profile just like that, tap on the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After that, you'll be able to see the block button right at the bottom. So tap on the block button. For the confirmation, once again tap on block, and that's gonna block this particular contact, and you'll stop seeing their content or any of the information or any update from this particular user. Now what you'll need to do is, if you're unable to find the contact on your For You page, then you can also use your search bar tool from the top right, and after that you can just go ahead and type in the particular contact that you wish to block. Now for example, let's go with this particular user. Now just tap on the username once again and do the same procedure, that is tap on the arrow icon, go to block from the bottom, and for the confirmation tap on the block button. So in this way you can block someone on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.